Hey guys, and welcome to another cooking video here on my channel. Thank you for all the feedback on my last video. I'm gonna make more of these because I love to share delicious stuff with you. So I have this crust that I made already. It was like a test thing. I didn't know how it would turn out. It's a little broken. I didn't have any milk in it. It was supposed to have milk in it, but I forgot, but still tastes good. And I'm gonna make another one with cauliflower, so we'll see how that goes. So I have a medium-sized cauliflower head, shredded, and then I squeezed the water out. Got a bit messy, but this is what it looks like now. Looks like, yeah, rice almost. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds mixed with 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Like an egg replacement. Remember when I used chickpea juice as an egg replacement when I baked? I can't speak. But yeah, you can use chia seeds or psyllium seeds mixed with water, but this recipe said oil, so you are supposed to let it swell for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna mix that into the cauliflower. And about half a teaspoon salt. And some black pepper, about half a teaspoon, something like that. I'll add a little bit of this as well. It's like herb salt. Tastes really good. And a little bit of this, it's also herbs, I don't know, oregano, basil, and stuff. And 1 tablespoon of psyllium seeds. Then I will mix everything together with my stick blender, or you can use a food processor, doesn't matter. So this is what it looks like. It did turn into a dough. I was skeptical, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna shape it into a round crust. See how that goes. It's easier to use your hands. Sometimes your hands are your best tools. I don't know how thin it's supposed to be, but we'll see. Here's a spoon. Doesn't have to be round. So this is what it looks like. I made it pretty thin, but not too thin. So yeah, I'm gonna bake it for 10 minutes at 225 degrees. I will write in the description what it is in Fahrenheit. So. And I made my own pizza sauce, just with some canned tomatoes, tomato paste, a bunch of seasoning. Didn't have any garlic, but yeah. Tastes good anyway. And I added a bit of agave syrup because a little bit of sweetness enhances the flavors. So while I wait for the crust, I'm gonna shred some cheese. I have this vegan cheese. It's not that hard to find. I think most stores have vegan cheese nowadays, and it tastes really good. There's different brands and stuff, so that's nice. So I think crust number 1 is the winner. Of course you can do like a traditional crust with wheat flour, but I wanted to try some new recipes because I think it's fun. But yeah, if you want a traditional pizza, veganized, you can use wheat flour, I think it's water and yeast. There's a bunch of recipes online, but this recipe was easy. I just used oat flakes or whatever, oatmeal, what is it called, and canola oil, salt, buckwheat flour. I can add the recipe in the description. Say that recipe in the description. Say that 5 times fast after each other. It's hard. So I'm gonna prepare the first pizza with some of the tomato sauce. What do you like to have on your pizzas? I know some people like to have barbecue sauce and stuff. You can get a vegan pizza at like restaurants, but they usually don't have cheese, vegan cheese. And yeah, it works without it, but you know, you can always buy a pizza at a restaurant and then you add the cheese at home if you feel like it, if you don't feel like doing a pizza from scratch. So I'm gonna add some peppers, red peppers, and some zucchini, and some mushrooms. I forgot what it's called for a second. And there's vegan ground beef and sausage and all that. If you feel like adding that, I don't miss that stuff so that much, so it's unnecessary. But if you feel like having that on your pizza, go ahead. And then I will add some weird ingredients. I like to have banana on my pizza. I know that might sound strange, but I don't know, it's pretty common in Sweden. I think there's a pizza called Hawaii that has ham and pineapple, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna add some pineapple as well. Seems like a lot of people hate that, but pineapple pizzas matter. I think it's nice. Some salt and some sweetness. Saltness and sweetness. And then some curry. I think it's nice, banana and curry together. And then some cheese. Then I will do the same thing with the other crust. but no sweet stuff because I don't think it will go well with cauliflower and the spices. I don't know about the texture of this crust. It's not that, I don't know, crispy. But we'll see once I put the other stuff on and bake it again. It's healthy, at least. A lot of fibers and stuff. And you never know if you like something until you try. I've always been like that since I was a kid. I like to try new things, new food. Mushrooms. A lot of mushrooms. And last but not least, cheese. I need to shred some more, I think. Look at my triceps. Just kidding. It's like a workout. Come on, triceps. So this is what they look like. I already cut into this one. Gonna try it, see what it tastes like. Okay, so I'll start with oat and buckwheat one. Very good. I like it. And the other one, the cauliflower one. Need a napkin. Also good. I like both. It's not that crispy though. I wish it was a little bit crispier, the cauliflower one, but the taste is nice. Let me know if you have any requests for meals or cakes or cookies or whatever you want me to bake or cook. It's hard to eat pizza gracefully. The oat and buckwheat one feels more filling because it has more carbs in it, but don't be scared of carbs, guys. Carbs don't make you fat, I promise. But yeah, please leave this video a big thumbs up because that means a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Take care and peace out.